Hello friends, welcome to a discussion on data analytics. This is part 3 and in this part we shall discuss questions related to roles and responsibilities for data analytic works. So for any data analytic works there are 3 levels of involvement. First level is CDMA at headquarter or CAG office. Second level is data analytic groups at field office level, and third level is functional group at field level office. So in this part we shall discuss what is the duty or responsibility of various levels in data analytic works. Friends, if you are interested to watch similar type of videos at one place, please go to the playlist of my channel. It contains subject wise playlist containing similar type of videos at one place. You may also join as a member of this channel for watching all videos before it is made public, and also to view all videos of the channel including practice set videos and mock test videos. Well, the first question is, which of the followings are true related to roles and responsibility of Center for Data Management and Analytics or CDMA related to data analytics? It will play an advisory and supporting role for the overall use of data analytics in IA and AD. It will facilitate through capacity building, collecting third-party data at the central level, identifying new software, assessing applicability of different analytic and techniques. It will provide technical support to the field officers in their data analytic efforts, or all of this. So answer is all of this. So CDMO will play an advisory and supporting role for INAD. वो also कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग भी फैसिलिटेट करेगा और जो थर्ड पार्टी डाटा है सेंट्रल लेवल में कलेक्ट करेगा और जो न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर है उनको आइडेंटिफाई करेगा और जो एनालिटिक टेक्निक्स है, डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स है, उनको एप्लीकेबिलिटी क्या है उसको भी एसेस करेगा. सीडीएमए विल आल्सो प्रोवाइड टेक्निकल सपोर्ट जो फील्ड ऑफिस को जरूरत है रिलेटेड टू डाटा एनालिटिक्स वो भी प्रोवाइड करेगा. ऑल्सो द डाटा एनालिटिक मॉडल्स will be vetted and approved by CDMA, and it will be done in consultation with the functional wings in headquarters. So answer will be all of these. Who is primarily responsible for identification of data? So जब डाटा आइडेंटिफाई किया जाएगा फॉर एनालिसिस, उनके लिए कौन रेस्पॉन्सिबल है? CDMA, data analytic groups of field office, functional group in the field office, or all of these? Answer is functional group in the field office, क्योंकि एक्चुअली फंक्शनल ग्रुप विल डू द ऑडिट. सो उनको क्या जरूरत है, कौन सा डाटा को एनालिसिस करना है, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करेगा कौन? फंक्शनल ग्रुप. इस फंक्शन में सीडीएमए का और डाटा एनालिटिक्स का कोई रोल नहीं है. फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो डाटा देगा उसको डाटा एनालिटिक्स एनालाइज करेगा और उसमें गाइड करेगा सीडीएमए. सो आंसर इज सी. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट ऑन डाटा कलेक्शन? डाटा कलेक्शन के बारे में कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप will provide technical assistance in data collection process. Functional groups in the field offices are responsible for data collection, or all of these? Answer is all of these. Actually जो functional group है जो actually audit करते हैं field में, their responsibility is to collect data, लेकिन उसमें data analytic groups will provide technical assistance in collection of this data? So answer is C, both of these. Who is primarily responsible for data restoration? So जो डाटा रिस्टोर किया जाएगा उनके लिए कौन प्राइमरी रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप्स ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज बी, डाटा रिस्टोरेशन के लिए फील्ड ऑफिस का डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप प्राइमरी रेस्पॉन्सिबल है. Who is primarily responsible for data preparation? So डाटा प्रिपरेशन का काम में कौन प्राइमरी रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज बी, डाटा प्रिपरेशन काम में who will provide domain expertise for data preparation? डाटा प्रिपरेशन के लिए जो डोमेन एक्सपर्टाइज चाहिए वो कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस, क्योंकि फंक्शनल ग्रुप एक्चुअली कंडक्ट्स फील्ड ऑडिट. उनके पास एक्सपर्टाइज है कौन सा डोमेन में, कौन सा एरिया में क्या डाटा रिलेटेड है. सो डाटा प्रिपरेशन विल बी डन बाय डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप्स, but domain expertise will be provided by the functional group in the field office. Who is primarily responsible for data analysis and creation of model? So data analysis और creation of model में कौन मेनली रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज सी, बिकॉज फॉर डाटा एनालिसिस एंड क्रिएशन ऑफ मॉडल वो फंक्शनल ग्रुप का मेन फंक्शन है. Who will provide technical assistance to functional group for data analysis and creation of model? So जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप डाटा एनालिसिस करेगा और मॉडल क्रिएट करेगा उनके लिए टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज डी, डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस विल प्रोवाइड technical assistance to functional group for data analysis and creation of model. Who is primarily responsible for data model deployment? CDA में data analytic group of field office, functional group in the field office or all of these? Answer is data analytic group of field office is primarily responsible for data model deployment. Who will provide technical assistance for periodic collection of data for model? So जो periodic collection किया जाएगा डाटा कोई मॉडल के लिए, उनके लिए टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस और ऑल ऑफ दिस? आंसर इज डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस will provide technical assistance for periodic collection of data for model. Who is responsible for periodic collection of data for model? So जो periodic collection किया जाएगा डाटा का मॉडल के लिए, उनके लिए कौन रेस्पॉन्सिबल है? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस or all of these? Answer is functional group in the field office वो actually periodic data collection करेगा डाटा मॉडल के लिए, लेकिन उनके लिए टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करेगा डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप्स. So here answer will be C. Who is responsible for data repository and management? CDA में data analytic group of field office, functional group in the field office, or all of these? Answer is B. Data analytic group of field office is actually responsible for data repository and management. Who is responsible for infrastructure for data analytics? डाटा एनालिसिस के लिए जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का जरूरत है उनको प्रोवाइड करना किसका रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? सीडीए में डाटा एनालिटिक ग्रुप ऑफ फील्ड ऑफिस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फील्ड ऑफिस, और administrative wing in the field office? Answer is the administrative wing in the field office is responsible for providing infrastructure for data analytics. In performance audit, which of the following method can be used to understand the relation between the outcomes, outputs, and the various input factors interventions of the government? Slicing and dicing of data, analytic technique like scatter plots, correlation, regression, etc., or both of these? So परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट के लिए कौन सा मेथड फॉलो किया जाएगा टू अंडरस्टैंड रिलेशन बिटवीन आउटकम्स, आउटपुट्स, एटसेट्रा? आंसर इज बोथ ऑफ दिस. स्लाइसिंग, डाइसिंग ऑफ डाटा, एनालिटिक टेक्निक्स लाइक स्कैटर प्लॉट्स एटसेट्रा सब यूज किया जाएगा इन परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिलेशंस बिटवीन outcomes, outputs, etc. Which of the following is correct for measuring outcome in performance audit? Auditor need to rely only on the figures provided by the audited entity. Reliable third-party data should not be used, or none of these. So which is correct? Answer is C, none of these. इसमें A और B both are incorrect क्योंकि data of both audited entity and reliable third-party data should be used. So why A is not correct? Because that the word only, and why B is not correct? Because there is the word not. So A and B both are incorrect. So C is correct. None of these. In performance audit, while identifying sample units for substantive checks based on the risk perception, multiple risk indicators may be identified through data analytics. Composite scores based on weighted average of various risk parameters can be made, and sampling can be done on this score. Whether a weighted risk score which have not been identified through data analytics and incorporated into the composite score can also be assigned? Yes or no? Answer is yes. In compliance audit, which of the following is adopted to identify high risk transactions? Incorporating the rule position which compliance is being sought through queries, dashboards such as exceptions, non-compliance, visualization techniques like scatter plots, box plots, etc. to identify patterns, clusters, or outliers, or both of these? Answer is both of these. Which of the following is correct on data analytic model? Data analytic model refers to the set of analytic tests leading to analytic results which can be used repetitively by updating, changing data. Building a model will ensure that risk analysis once done on specific datasets can be used repeatedly by using the same dataset for subsequent years or periods. Both of these. Answer is both of these. Which of the following is principal component analysis? That is used to measure the strength of association between two variables and ranges between -1 to +1, that gives a numerical explanation of how variables relate, enables prediction of the dependent variable given the independent variable, that aims to reduce the number of intercorrelated variables to a smaller set, which expands the overall variability, that aims to group together and summarize variables which are correlated, thereby enabling data reduction. Answer is C. Which of the following is correct? The process of arranging data into homogeneous group or classes according to some common characteristics present in the data is called classification. The process of arranging data into heterogeneous group or classes according to different common characteristics present in the data is called classifications. So in first option there is homogeneous group, common characteristics, and second option is heterogeneous group, different common characteristics. So which is correct? Answer is A is correct. Homogeneous group with common characteristics. Which technique involves use of past data, available knowledge, documents, assumptions, identified risks, and form part of the operations, research and qualitative techniques disciplines? Forecasting techniques, estimating techniques, or both of these? Answer is answer is both of these. So both these techniques use past data, available knowledge, documents, assumptions, and form part of operations, research and quantitative techniques disciplines. Thank you. You may join as a member of this channel to avail benefits like watching all videos before it is made public, and also to view all videos of the channel including practice set videos and mock test videos. Thank you again.